In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to configure your Knock Chat links to match your needs and brand, helping buyers connect with you in the easiest way possible. Let's start with the chat links table. This is where you can see all of your chat links in one place. You can sort them by name, medium, communication channel, chat routing, created date, number of clicks, and even see who created each link. You cannot delete links from this table. This is intentional to make sure you don't accidentally break any funnel that's already live. There are two types of chat links you can create, a direct link or a modal. A direct link takes your buyer straight to a specific communication channel. For example, a click-to-chat link is perfect for campaigns outside your website, like an email, G2 button, or social ad, where you want to remove friction and let buyers jump directly into a chat. It's also ideal when your ICP strongly prefers a channel. For instance, most developers prefer Slack over other channels. To configure a direct link, start by naming the link and selecting the medium. This is important for attribution analysis because referrer data and UTMs are not always captured reliably. This information is saved in the link and synced to your CRM automatically. Next, choose the communication channel you want to use. Once you save the link, you can copy it and place it wherever it's needed. You can always return to the table to copy it again. A modal link allows buyers to choose their preferred communication channel. This is great if you want to offer multiple communication options under one call to action on your website. For example, on Knock's website, we have a single CTA button. When clicked, a modal pops up, letting the buyer choose between Slack, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, or even booking a demo. To configure a modal link, start by naming the link and selecting the medium so the data flows to your CRM. Add the communication buttons you want to offer. You can also add a custom button, say, sign up for free. Customize the title and subtitle to match the CTA context. You can change the images too. Select a team member from your Slack workspace to show their profile image or upload your own. After saving, you'll get a link that you can place anywhere you want. Any edits you make later will update the link in real time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now let's start accelerating your pipeline with Knock.